how to get the client ID and secret key from PayPal. Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to do it. You will access the PayPal developer site. So on Google, you can type develop PayPal, hit search, then scroll down and access this site here, which is paypal.com. You click and you'll come to the site's homepage. Here you'll log in, okay? For that you can click here on these three bars. Click here now to log in. It's really simple for you to get your client ID and secret key. So now you'll enter your PayPal account details here. I've already entered my email and password here. I'm going to click to log in. I've just logged in here. As you can see, your username will appear there. To find your client ID and secret key now, you'll click here on the Apps and Credentials option. You'll come to this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll find your client ID and secret key there, okay? By clicking on this eye icon here, you can reveal the secret key. Now a note, notice that in this case it says Sandbox. What does this mean? It means that these two pieces of information here, both the client ID and the secret key, are used only for testing, okay? So in the Sandbox environment, you can simulate payments, test the checkout, and do integrations without using real money. And if you want to use it in production, that is, to receive real payments or on your website, in that case, you need to switch to a PayPal business account, okay? As you can see here, if you want to use it in production, in that case, you need to change your account to PayPal Business, okay? So after you convert it, then you can access the credentials and get real keys for transactions with actual money, alright? So that's it. I hope this was helpful. For those who wanted to know how to get the PayPal client ID and secret key, if I helped you, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.